So this is the typical start to an errand day. I back out, stop, drive back up to the campsite, get out of the car, walk back to the trailer. As you're wondering, why am I going back? George, I forgot the laundry. And I also forgot to sweep this morning, so I grabbed the broom, sweeped up a little bit. What do you say there, kitty? What do you say there, Georgie? Hey, George. So I can't remember the last time I went to do an errand and forgot something and had to go back. That's just kind of typical. Good thing I'm retired and I got all kinds of time. So get back in the car here and there's the naughty girl. 20-25 minute drive to Chama, where the laundromat is, and other stuff. So here we are, arrived in Chama in the downtown section, where there's a variety of gift shops and restaurants. The famous train station is way up on the right here. It's just a nice, pleasant little town. And here I arrive at the laundromat, which is about a mile outside of town. And you'll see when I get out of the car here, I'm going to meet a local. Perump. I'm full-time on the road, but that's my home base.
Oh, yeah, that's a little town, isn't it?
It is. It's about an hour outside of Vegas, but over the hump, they say, over the mountain.
Yeah, I had a houseboat at Temple Bar for a few years.
Oh, a houseboat. I live in an RV, but I would love to live in a houseboat someday.
It was neat. First couple of nights I was like,
it's moving, right?
wow. It felt like it was sinking on one side. But it was just me.
Who's your buddy in there?
Oh, that's Cool Beans.
You see mine?
Huh?
Are you local here now, or
Uh-huh.
you like it?
Love it.
You know what I did last week? I did the train up to from Antonito down to here. That was amazing.
It is.
Worth every penny.
Yeah, I just live south of town about 10 miles.
Beautiful country, man.
Yeah, I feel every evening I say, God, I'm lucky to have ended up here.
All right. Take care. All righty. I always pretend I want a slot machine when I use one of those.
I love it. That's a great reframe right there.
Yeah.
Scenes with the producers of the Today Show.
So here I arrived at my bank branch. They actually have a Washington Federal Bank branch here, so I went there to take a little cash out for a little cash reserve. It's an interesting little flower garden here, kind of right on Main Street. And there's my bank branch. I was so happy to see it. There's the ATM. I won again. And here we are at my favorite Lowe's grocery store. And I check my shopping list. And first order of business is I need more tomatoes. I really like tomatoes. So I got a nice little package of 4. And I also love mushrooms. Where are they? Where are they? They're right there. And a nice package of mushrooms. Then I needed a new surge protector, and I found a good one there and grabbed that. Found some kitty litter, a couple of lean cuisine frozen meals for when I'm lazy. Keep that freezer packed. I got a nice big package of sliced ham for sandwiches. And then a little block of Swiss cheese. They didn't have slices. I'm going to have to slice my own. And let's see, eggs. I had a carton of eggs at home, so I'm just going to get a little half carton of egg beaters. And butter. Always got to have my butter. Smart Balance and regular butter, and then some of that spray butter. I'm a butter fan. And some ground beef for Dottie's dog food. And I wanted some English muffins, and the shelves were pretty bare here. No English muffins. So I settled on bagels. Bagels up there, so I grabbed the package.
Muffins, but bagels.
And I had to hunt for the bottled water. It was up in front of the store. And I needed some spices, so I got some spice. And then I went to check out. Nice lady. Took good care of me. I spent $95 on groceries and $40 on the surge protector. I had it run
So
up
I need
twice
to do
because the surge
a separate
protector is
transaction for
always
this.
expensive.
Try it again. It's not reading your phone. That's neat. I like that. Were you going hiking or something?
It's just easier for me to film. I do have a YouTube channel, so when I film it.
How neat.
All right, it says approved on that one.
Okay. Let me get you a receipt. And this one's $48.73.
And different card. All right, thank you. And I made it back. I was maybe 2 or 3 minutes late for pulling my stuff out of the washing machine and into the dryer, but it wasn't very busy, so I wasn't worried about inconveniencing anybody. So I moved my stuff, got a cart, moved my stuff from the washer to the dryer. Went back out to the car, waited 20 minutes, did a little bit of editing, and that was it. Well, hey guys, that's going to conclude the video for today. After I finished my laundry, I did take the camera into a little local restaurant, and I thought I would get a meal to go, and it didn't go very well. I wasn't treated very nicely, and so I'm not going to put the footage out there because I have a rule. I don't do negative things about people or businesses, so it's not there. People are entitled to have a bad day, and I'm going to guess it was towards the end of the lunch hour, and they weren't big fans of making another lunch, maybe. But that's fine. I didn't get to do that today, but we'll do a different restaurant in the area another day. Today is Tuesday, the 8th of August, and tomorrow's the 9th. And that's when I moved from the Lake Erin State Park to Stonehouse Lodge and RV Resort for 6 days to be out of the state park system. So I can come back to Lake Erin for another 8 days, and then I head down to Elephant Butte State Park. So more exciting stuff on the way, and Dottie and I will have another video soon. Take care.